Thank you. Thank you.
Well, tell us something about your relationship with Mr. Shyam Bhatia and your frank opinion on the cricket museum put forth by Mr. Shyam Bhatia.
But I think as I entered, anybody would, the first reaction, I think it's unique. It is a history which he has um, created here. And very, this thing, uh, such a museum should have been in India in a very big way. But that's what happened. You have to go outside your country and create something, and it's a great, as I said, Mr. Bhatia has created history, and he will remember many years to come, and to to educate the people, and especially of those new aspiring cricketers who are out there. There's so much material here. So, but one thing I must confess, that from the very beginning, I was in Indore, and Mr. Mushtaq Ali, the great cricketer, a stylish cricketer of the 30s, so we were in the same school. So, but the thing at that time, we had a utter dislike for this game. Because this game was for the rich people. As soccer, I was a great fan of the soccer, but I think what happened, even we stopped talking to each other, because he disliked my painting, which I was doing, the modern painting, and I disliked his cricket. But we always remained friends. But one thing, I had to change my opinion. That is because how India changed the whole. Now this cricket belongs to India, but and especially this one day, and now 2020. I think that is tremendous, because earlier those 5 days, it's only for those people who don't want to work in this world and who have enough money. So that was it was purely a social, dislike, not. But game is a great game, and many Indian players, they are doing wonders. And our Don Bradman, the little Bradman, is our Tendulkar. so I meet them, all these people. On the contrary, I see the Cricket Club of India in Bombay, there have done a huge mural. And imagine a person who dislikes a game, and I've done the mural.
So, do you watch cricket nowadays, and are you following up on the World Cup matches?
No, that I don't. Because it is here. It's great. Not that there is nothing. It's so much there. But my most favorite game is soccer, because I was a captain of my school days of soccer, and I watch soccer all over the world. All this World Cup, I go everywhere.
And how long since you know Mr. Shyam Bhatia?
I've been coming here almost
70s.
Yeah, 70s. Yeah. Like my nephews, my brother, they also used to work. They're working here. So I've seen the Dubai from the sand to grow. Its growth.
Painting was there in your lifeblood right from your birth, I believe.
Not. I always say, people think painting is the only thing. No, painting is only 10% of my life. There's so many other things which I'm interested in, and I keep on working very silently. Painting is what you call which gave me what you call, that's how I survive on painting.
Name and fame. We've also heard that you're a good movie lover.
Not lover, I've made several films also.
You've produced a film, Gaj.
Gajgamini, which is which was in the museums in London and all that. But I don't make these commercials here. That is okay. That is for the entertainment. I make a film which is more artistic.
One thing which I'd like to ask you is that if you happen to look into the chart over there, it says "Cricket for Care." We have it's the tagline of Mr. Shyam Bhatia, which says "Cricket for Care."
It's very so so. I think you must, with your interest, you must do something for the needy people and all that. I think it's remarkable what he's doing. He has linked charity with the sports.
Yeah, in fact, those readings on the chart says that he's done such a lot for charity. And what do you feel about charity and cricket in connection with Mr. Shyam Bhatia?
I said anything. It's all right. Your interest, your love for all that, but it must have some. It should benefit the needy people. So and this is really so remarkable of him. That shows the personality. How it's not only after name and fame and money, but how he uses all these things to help needy people. And this is.
Lastly, have you seen any similar museums in the world? If no, then what is the speciality of this museum which you found very interesting?
I just said I have not seen anywhere in the world. There may be, but because I was not so much involved with the cricket, I don't know. There must be some other museum that I don't know, but I never heard of that. But this is, I think, as I saw in the visitor book, even the who came here, Mr.
Lord Mayor of London.
Lord Mayor, and what he wrote, this is better than the Lord's. Yes, so this is what you call from the horse's mouth.
Thank you very much, and we look forward for your visit in the future as well.
Thank you.